Meet Galaxy S22 Ultra, a transformative this. For the first time, the power of Note has merged with the epic world of Galaxy S. With a 73% faster NPU. It fuels a long-lasting battery that can go beyond a day on a single 45-watt super-fast charge.
And has an anti-reflective nano coating on the glass and lens, so that light can travel to the image sensor with fewer reflections. This allows minimal flare, even at night. All of these hardware improvements, when combined with optimized software, help deliver incredible nightography. AI-powered ISP algorithm that enhances the object's true shape, color tone, and details. Night Solution also works with portrait mode,
into a new world of possibilities. Welcome to the epic standard of smartphones. Follow me to the source of S22 Ultra.
Employee ID. Nice.
Anything can happen tonight. There's so much to be discovered.
and VDIS. OIS compensates for camera shakes by physically moving the lens in the opposite direction. Galaxy S22 Ultra's OIS hardware has a 58% wider corrective angle compared to its predecessor. To capture a clear image in a dim setting, enough light must reach and be absorbed by the camera's image sensor. Galaxy S22 Ultra is equipped with a
Maybe we're not so different.
It's photos too. In low light, S22 Ultra's fast NPU powers multi-frame processing and every photo and video is safe in an ultra-secure folder. And now, let me show you something truly noteworthy.